So kulabo abayibuza mhlawumbe uthe what are the minimum requirements if ufisa ukuthi ube yi-artisan, into ihamba ngokuthi it's either uthathwa i-company ikufake kwi-apprenticeship program yayo, noma mhlawumbe umuntu bevele esebenza mhlawumbe usebenza ngawo ugesi if you want to do a trade under electrical, noma usebenza kwa-motor mechanics noma ka-welding if ufuna ukwenza i-trade test yani yaka-welding. Fanele kube ukuthi ususebenze for a minimum period of 3 years, okuwukuthi shuthi une-experience ka-3 years kuya phezulu. But uma une-experience ka-3 years uzokwazi ukuthi leyo company obusebenza kuyona ikuprovide with a service letter ezobe isho ukuthi ubusuna 3 years usebenza, ibhale nama-duties owenzayo in line with lezi zinto ezifuneka mangabe kuwukuthi uzokwenza i-trade test. Then uzoqualify ukuthi ungayenza i-trade test through ukuthi uzokwenza i-ARPL, wenza i-ARPL 1 wenziswa i-interview but theory test, uphinde ubuye uzokwenziswa u-ARPL 2 la usuke utestwa khona i-practical yakho ukuthi unolwazi olungana ngokwe-practical, ukuze uma kuwukuthi khona la kubona ukuthi ushoda khona then sebezo recommend ukuthi nefanele wenza i-gap closure la uzotrainwa khona uvala ama-gaps akho. After that usuwavalile ama-gaps then-ke uzokwazi ukuthi usunga-applyelwa uthole i-day trade test, wenza i-trade test. Kanti ngapha through ama-apprenticeships kuba ukuthi i-company kuya nge-company ukuthi yona ithi ama-minimum requirements abazo-recruiter ngawo imaphi. Enye i-company kuyenzeka ithi ifuna i-matric on maths and science bese ithi mhlampe ifuna ube no-N2 waleyo trade leyo, ngaba i-boiler maker noma i-fitting and turning yabo, noma refrigeration. So kuyashiyana ukuthi i-company yona ama-minimum requirements abafunayo imaphi. Kuyenzeka mhlawumbe enye i-company izokuthi ifuna i-maths and science kwa-matric, iphinde ithi ifuna mhlawumbe ube no-N4 yabo, noma ibe no-N5 it's either kwa-electrical noma kwa-mechanical yabo. Kanti kuyenzeka i-company ingaqhamuka nje ithi yona ifuna i-minimum requirement grade 9 with maths and science yabo. Into eyenzakalayo leyo okusho ukuthi leyo company njengoba ikuthatha vele-ke special manje njengoba sekukhona le ndlela entsha ye-training yokuthi sekwama-occupational qualifications lawa ama-trade test asenziwa njengamanje. So njengoba sekuyi-occupational qualification okusho ukuthi with grade 9 usuyaqualify ukuthi ungene kwi-apprenticeship program, ungene kwi-training, utrainwe, because i-theory yonke le bekade ifunda ema-TVET colleges usuzoyifunda e-training center from your phase 1 uziyofika whether ka-phase 4 noma ka-phase 3 uzobe ufunda i-theory yonke, ufunda ne-practical at the same time uphinde uhambe e-company for i-workplace experience yabo. So yeah, sekukanjalo-ke iyona ndlela leyo manje ekhona yokuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthole usuwumuntu o-qualified on a trade test as an artisan. Danko, ngiyabonga.